So today I'm going to show you guys how I get discounts at Starbucks, Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A, the PlayStation Store, and a bunch of other places. And how to even get a 20% discount on shipping labels. I tried to keep this video as informative and short as possible, but it is loaded with important information, so please try to stick around to the very end, especially if you're interested in getting the shipping discount, because there is one extra step that you have to take, and I'll be going into more detail about that later on in the video. For starters, you do have to download Cashapp. Downloading the app and creating an account is completely free and it only takes a couple minutes. And if you haven't already downloaded the app, please consider using my referral link down below. To get your $5 sign up bonus, you have to use a referral link or code and send your first $5 using Cash App. The best part about this is that the person who you send the money to can send it right back and you'll still be eligible for that bonus. Now for the discounts. Open up your Cash App. Go down here to the little icon that looks like a debit card, and it'll give you the option to request a cash card, which looks like this. It's free to get and anybody can get one. It's not a credit card, it's just like any other debit card, and it even comes with its own bank account and routing number. The only difference between this card and your other debit cards is that this card actually gives you instant discounts when you use it at participating locations. It takes about 5 to 7 business days to arrive, but you can still use the digital version of your card through Apple Pay or Google Wallet, or using your debit card information, which you can find in the app. Now, going back to the app, click the debit card icon again, and you'll see down below all the discounts that you're eligible for. When you click on an offer, you'll see the terms and conditions pop up. Like for this DoorDash offer, it says it expires in 5 days, but it's been my experience that the offers just circle back around. And you have to make a minimum purchase of $2, and the maximum discount that you will receive is $5. You can only use this offer once per hour. To get your discount, click Add Boost. You'll see a message saying that your boost has been activated, which means the discount is now ready to be applied. Now go to DoorDash and place your order using your Cash App card, and your discount will be automatically applied at checkout. I actually used the DoorDash boost today. Let me head over to my transaction history to show you. You'll see on here that it says boost applied, so let's click on it to get more information. We're going to go to the bottom here where it says 10% boost applied, and that'll bring up the transaction details. My total purchase amount was $27.19, but the boost gave me a discount of $2.71, which brought my total down to $24.48, and that's what I paid. You don't have to make your purchases online in order for this to work. If you're out and about, you can stop by a Chick-fil-A or a Starbucks and swipe your card, and your discount will be automatically applied as long as your boost is activated. But you can only use one boost at a time. So say you're done using the DoorDash boost and you want to purchase something from the PlayStation Store and get that 10% discount. You have to go back into the app and click on here where it says swap to swap out your old boost for a new one. If you sell online and you're looking to get your 20% shipping discount, you may be wondering how this would work, and there is one extra step that you'd have to take. Instead of purchasing the shipping labels directly from the Etsy platform or eBay or Amazon platform like you normally would, you have to go to the USPS website and purchase the labels directly from them to get that 20% discount. Now, like I said, it is a little bit more work because then you'd have to get your customer's shipping information and bring it over to the USPS website and create and print a label that way. But you get that 20% discount, so if you ask me, it's totally worth it. I've been selling online for nearly a decade. I've sold on Etsy, Amazon Handmade, eBay, and I also have my own Shopify website. So I do a lot of shipping, and getting that 20% discount on every label that I print really saves me quite a bit of money in the long run. Like I said before, you have to make sure that the boost is activated in your account, and you have to pay with your Cash App card. And one last thing that I probably should have mentioned in the beginning, but it completely slipped my mind. You obviously have to make sure that you have money in your Cash App card before you can use it. And it's super easy to add money to your account. So when you initially create your Cash App account, it's going to ask you to link a bank account and debit card. From here, all you have to do is go to the app and make sure you have the little bank icon selected at the bottom. And click on here where it says Add Cash. Enter the amount that you want to add, and it'll transfer that amount to your Cash App account instantly. That's it for this video, guys. Let me know down below if you have any questions or comments. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.